Are you feeling exhausted and have trouble losing weight and are noticing weird skin changes, but your doctor says everything is normal? You might be experiencing hidden insulin resistance, and today I'm revealing the 3 sneaky signs your doctor probably missed and exactly how to fix them fast. My name is Charmaine and I'm the registered dietitian that helps people reverse type 2 diabetes, and today we're diving into insulin resistance. It's a hidden issue that affects millions but often flies under the radar. So let's get started. The first sign is constant fatigue, especially after eating. If meals leave you more drained than energized, it might be your body's subtle way of signaling insulin resistance. Why? This is because insulin isn't efficiently bringing in energy, glucose, from your blood into your cells, leaving you sluggish and tired. So the fastest fix to this is to adjust your meals to be more fiber rich, adding vegetables, healthy plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and low glycemic index carbs like farro, quinoa, barley. These can stabilize your blood sugar and give you sustained energy. Sign number 2 is having skin tags and dark patches. Having skin tags, dark patches, especially on your neck, in your armpit, or elbows, might be skin changes that reflect insulin resistance. They're called acanthosis nigricans, and this is because insulin stimulates these cells to multiply rapidly. So a solution to this is to add more movements. Adding movements to your lifestyle can lower your blood sugar, help improve insulin sensitivity, and lower insulin levels. Over time, if you're able to keep your blood sugar in normal range, it can also help you improve these skin changes. Of course, don't forget to pair it with a diet full of whole plant-based foods and healthy fats. Number 3, a sign of insulin resistance is that your belly fat won't budge despite your best efforts. And this isn't just about calories, it's often a sign your body is becoming insulin resistant, making weight loss feel impossible. So the secret weapon here to deal with this is to focus on managing stress and prioritizing sleep. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, can worsen insulin resistance, so try finding ways to de-stress, like guided meditation or taking a walk, and aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Let me know in the comments if you have experienced any of these symptoms, and if you want to learn how you can reverse insulin resistance at its root cause, make sure you watch my free reversing diabetes training. Link is in the description below, and I'll see you guys there.